Hi, this is Quick Michael. In today's video, I will show you very quick, easy and cheap solution to make your acoustic guitar sound quieter so that you can practice a little bit later in the evening or perhaps practice even early in the morning without upsetting anyone around you. So here's the solution. I have this feedback buster here that you normally use when you play on stage and you don't want your guitar to create feedback. So you simply insert that really rubber cup to cover the sound hole, and that will stop the feedback. So the cool thing is that when you insert that thing here in the sound hole, as I'm doing right now, it stops guitar from projecting all the low frequencies that are actually the loudest. So then when you practice, you'll be able to obviously produce less volume, and this is what you're after, I guess. This guitar with this feedback buster would sound much quieter than guitar without it, but it's still louder than a silent guitar. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you the comparison of this guitar with the silent guitar, but the difference between them is let me think. I think by buying a silent guitar, you are gaining maybe 30% more silence, if that's the word, so this thing is pretty silent. So I'm gonna show you some sound samples when I'm playing the acoustic guitar. Like I'm gonna play picking, and I'm gonna do some strumming, and I'm gonna kind of do some string pinching, So you're gonna see different techniques and what this thing sounds like. So stick around for the whole video, and I will see you next time.